Hello and welcome to 742 A Chenery. Today we're going to be touring a 3-level ADU towards the back of the building. So you walk through this breezeway up a couple of stairs into a shared patio area. This is shared with the front house, and the entrance to the unit is in back here. The great thing about this place is you have private laundry and storage. This is exclusive for this rear unit. Here is the front unit. And over here to the left is the entrance to the ADU. Right as you walk in to the left is a nice kitchen. So you have a gas range, there's your sink, lots of counter and storage space in here, and your refrigerator is right by the entrance. Moving up to the second level is the living room. This is a spacious living room with heat on this level as well. This door leads to a very steep sloped garden, closet, and the upper level has the bedroom. So it's nice in that there is lots of separation between the rooms. It's like a tree house. There is no one above you, and this is completely detached. You have a small closet here, and there's also one down below. Okay, so here is the bathroom. You have a shower, nice sink, medicine cabinet, and there's your toilet. Okay. If you are interested in this lovely space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.